Friends, welcome to IBI. So today I am going to talk about one of the very exciting topics, Bitcoin. And I'm going to talk about that what is Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin a piece of data which eventually ended up becoming digital gold? And what makes Bitcoin so valuable, and what is the economics behind it, and what is the thought process behind it which makes it digital gold? Guys, right. So Guys, if you understand, Bitcoin is fundamentally a piece of data which is moved across a network of peer-to-peer computers, right? It is not money, but it is the data which has become valuable or which is being used in the form of money. So let's try to understand what has led to the invention of Bitcoin. So, going back 50, 60 years, right? In 1970s and 1980s, when the personal computers and the mainframe computers was actually going mainstream. Uh, with the invention of computers and internet, we all knew that, or we all know that the digital transformation was inevitable. Scientists all across the globe started to study the potential of data. They started to study that what if this data gets hacked? What could be its impact? How to secure this data, and or how we can actually use data to determine value, or how we could actually move data on the internet. In short, how we can actually have or keep that audit trail of data. And based on this several research which was contributed or been happening since the 1970s, a group of people or an individual perhaps called Satoshi Nakamoto realized that this data could be used as digital cash, and hence he came up with Bitcoin.